Let's look at how to use Ultrabeat. So the first thing that I need to make sure that I do is that I have a blank track. So here I have my classic electric piano. If you don't have an empty track, click on the plus sign here, software instrument, and create. Next thing I need to make sure that I do is that I have this second little column open. So here I can see I have the I and it is gray, dark gray. If it's not, click it so that this column comes open. And you're going to look for this symbol where it says E piano and hover over it. It's going to have three symbols, this power symbol, these lines, and these arrows. Click on the line, find Ultrabeat, and click on it. Because today we're just learning how to use Ultrabeat rather than input for our Calvin Harris song, we're just going to go through and we're going to pick a drum kit that we like the sound of. So I can go in here in drum kits and maybe I'm going to try fizzy beats. To see if I like the sound, I'm going to press play here. It's okay. Let's see what else there is. Remembering, click up at the top here, drum kits, and have a go. Let's try Boutique 909. Pretty classic, so if you like a classic sound, that's a good one. And I might try this gritty funk. Let's try that. That's a bit weird. I think I'm going to go back to the first one I tried, which was the fizzy beats. That was my favorite. So once I've done that, I've got Ultrabeat ready. You don't need to click anything here. Instead, you're going to go down to the bottom here where it says pattern. Sorry, that's not correct. That's later. You're going to go over to the right here where it says full view on the very bottom. Hover over it, it will turn blue and click. Now it's going to give you this drum pattern that's already been created for you, but that's what we're hearing. And each of these little boxes is that drum playing. I don't want this though. I want to make my own beat. So I'm going to click, hold, and drag. The first time you do it, it will probably create a bunch. And the second time you can drag over and it will get rid of everything for you. If you still have one remaining, you can just click on it and it will disappear. I want to create a really basic drum beat. So I'm going to create a 4 to the floor beat. So I'm first of all going to find the kick drum and I'm going to click on every 4. So I'm going to click on 1, 5, 9, 13, etc. It will be on your handout, so you can just have a look at your handout to see exactly which numbers you need to click. It will tell you there. So that's my 4 to the floor. Now I want to find the snare and the clap, and I'm going to make my backbeat on every other of these. So on 5, 13, 21, and 29. So clicking here to get both of those. Same thing here, same thing here, and same thing here on 29. If you ever want to preview, you can either press space or press the play. So already starting to get sort of classic beat. Then I want to add some creativity now. So I'm going to take the open and closed hi-hats. So I can have a look here for where it says hi-hat. So here's a closed hat. And I'm going to look for an open hat here. Those are my two sounds, and I can kind of put them wherever I want. So I think that I want to put them at the end of the second bar, so from 13 to 16. So I'm going to go over here and maybe put one on 13, 14, and 16. And maybe I'm going to put the closed hat on 15 and 16. And then I'm going to go to the end of the last part, so the 29 through 32, and I'm going to do a sort of similar thing. So I think I'll do 2 skip and then the last 2 on this. So let's have a listen now. Again, to preview, you can press space or press this play button here. So pretty classic beat there. When I'm happy with this, I can go up here to the top and press save as. And the folder that it puts it in is the one you're going to save. So I'm going to save this as Miss Waldmere 4 to the floor. Once I'm done with that, I can actually get rid of this by clicking and dragging, and I can try making another beat. So there's quite a few options for you in your handout that you will have received. I want you to try at least 2 of them, practice saving them so that you've got some different drum beats that sound really cool. Good luck.